In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large files in Dropbox. Dropbox is a great tool for storing your files online and keeping everything accessible across devices, but over time, large files can take up a lot of storage space without you even realizing it. If your account is getting full, one of the fastest ways to free up space is to identify the biggest files first. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest method to do that using the Dropbox website. To begin, open Dropbox in your web browser. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage more than one, since storage usage can vary depending on where the files are stored. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox home area. From there, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click All Files. This section shows the files and folders stored in your Dropbox, and it's the best place to get a clear overview of everything in your account. If you're trying to locate large items quickly, this is where you'll want to work from rather than browsing folder by folder. Next, go to the top of the file list and look for the Sort option. Click it, then choose Sort By. In the sorting choices, select Size, and make sure it's set to largest first. This will reorganize your file list so the biggest files appear at the top. That way you can immediately see which items are using the most storage space. Once the list is sorted, take a moment to review the files that appear first. These are your largest files, and they're often the best place to start if you need to clear space quickly. Click on any file you want to inspect more closely. From there, you can open it to confirm what it is, download it if you want to keep a copy on your device, or delete it if you no longer need it in Dropbox. Before deleting anything, it's a good idea to double-check that the file isn't important or shared with others. If you're unsure, downloading a backup first can be a smart move. This helps prevent accidental data loss while still giving you a way to reduce storage usage. That's the easiest way to find large files in Dropbox using the website. If this is something you do regularly, sorting by size can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of your storage.